In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Indeed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top, type Indeed.com, and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Indeed's homepage where you can access your account and job search tools. When the page finishes loading, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in option there. Click on sign in to begin the login process. If the page looks slightly different depending on your device or region, don't worry, the sign-in option is still usually located near the upper right area of the website. After you click sign in, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address that's registered with your Indeed account. Click into the email field and type your email carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes since even a small error can prevent you from accessing the correct account. If you use more than one email address, double check that you're entering the one you originally used when creating your Indeed profile. Once your email address is entered, move on by clicking Continue. This tells Indeed to verify your login details and take you to the next part of the sign-in process. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to complete an additional step after this, such as entering your password or verifying your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. As a helpful tip, if you're signing in on a personal device and plan to use Indeed regularly, you may see options later that help you stay signed in or make future access quicker. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's always better to avoid saving login information for privacy and security. And that's it. By opening Chrome, visiting Indeed.com, clicking Sign In, entering your registered email address, and selecting Continue, you've successfully started the Indeed sign-in process. Follow along carefully, and you should be able to reach your account without any trouble.